Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we will do amazing assignment 20. Okay, it is in our textbook, page number 29 to 31. So we have to see the first question. Form the smallest number by using the digits 0, 5 and 6. So we have to form a smallest number. How to form the smallest number? We have to arrange these digits in the order of ascending order. As the law, we are writing like this. Smallest number among these 0, 5, 6. So 0 after 5, 6. We are writing like this, but it is not correct way. We don't place 0 in highest place every time. We don't place 0 in highest place. We have to mention 0 in second place. So after 0, the smallest number is 5. So we have to write in first place 5. After that, we have to mention 0. 0 and after 6. It is the smallest number. Next we will go to the next question. Form the greatest number by using the digit 3, 8 and 1. So how to form the greatest number? Here also we have one formula. We have to arrange those digits in descending order. We know very well how to write the descending order. Yes, my dears, we have to write the greatest number we have to arrange these digits in descending order. So where the biggest number here? 8 is the biggest digit. So we have to write 8 as first. After 8, the biggest number is 3. And next biggest number is obviously 1. Okay, now we are arranging in descending order. We have to able to form the greatest number. Next, third question. Form all the possible 3-digit numbers using the digits 3, 5 and 9. Okay, now we have to form a number in possible ways. How many possible ways we have to write down. So the given digits are 3, 5 and 9. So I want to write 3, 5, 9. It is one of the way to write a 3-digit number by using these 3 digits. Next, one more way is there. We have to write 5, 9, 3. There is one more way also there. What? We have to write 9, 5 and 3. Is there any possibilities to write more 3-digit numbers? Yes, it is there. We have to write 935 by using the 3 digits only. We are not repeating the same number. 935 and 539. See, we are not repeating the digit. Next, 395. Yes, these are the possible ways to write the 3-digit numbers by using those digits. Next question. They given one question here. Mr. Rao's house number is greatest number to be formed by using the digits 7, 9 and 2. Find out Mr. Rao's house number. We don't know Mr. Rao's house number. We have to find. How to find? We have to form the greatest number by using the digits. They given 7, 9, 2. We have to form the greatest number. How to form the greatest number? Greatest numbers. So we have to arrange these digits in descending order. So here descending order means we have to arrange the digits or numbers in big number to small number. So here the given digits, in the digits biggest number is 9, 9 after 7, 7 after 2. Okay, by using the clues we are find the Rao's house number. Next question. Sneha saved amount is the smallest number to be formed by using the digits 6, 8 and 2. By using these 3 digits, we have to form a smallest number to find out the amount saved by Sneha. It means Sneha saved some amount. Okay, we have to find out the amount. How to find out? They given one clue. we have to form a smallest number by using the digits. Smallest number. Smallest number. So we have to write these digits in the order of ascending order. We know very well how to write the ascending order. Just we have to arrange these digits in the order of small number to big number. Here they given 6, 8 and 2. In these three digits, the smallest number is 2. After 2, the smallest digit is 6. 6 after obviously 8. So, Sneha saved 268 amount. Thank you everyone.